everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily. Today I have another fun video unboxing some Labubus. I did a previous video on the Have a Seat Labubus, and today I have the exciting macarons. So these ones actually were a teeny bit harder to get than the Have a Seat, which I thought the newer edition of the Labubus would be harder to get, but I realized when I tried to get both that I kept having trouble getting the exciting macarons and they kept selling out immediately. Literally, I kept trying to check out, like I had it ready in my cart and I just could not get them for the life of me for like multiple attempts. But finally, I think after like 4 tries of like shopping online and having my cart ready and pressing like checkout immediately, finally, I was able to get one for the buy online, pick up in store. Before I do the exciting macarons unboxing, I also got another Labubu special edition. Here he is. So this is the fall in the wild. I keep thinking it's called like fall harvest or something, but this guy is so cute. He comes with like all the little clothes on and little flower. Love his bucket hat. This is so adorable. This one's obviously also a bag charm like all the other ones, so that'll be fun to accessorize your bag with these little guys. This one looks bigger, I feel like, in the box than it is. It is not that big, I guess, for reference. It looks like it's as big as my head, but it's not that big. Love this one. So glad I got my hands on him. He was also very, very hard to get, just as hard as the macarons. Those sell out immediately. For the stores that I was looking at, they would start the drop at like, I believe it was 5 p.m. and then instantly you have to check out. So just make sure you have everything you want in your cart in advance and literally try to battle the internet and be the first one to check out within that like first microsecond. I kid you not, for the exciting macarons, my timestamp was literally like 500 like 0.14 or something. Just my little tip there if you're having a hard time getting these ones. But here they are. So adorable. I love this box too. It's so like fun and colorful. I don't know if you all have these. Do you like store them in the box or do you get the plastic cases and display them? And I've seen people do like for Christmas, since that just passed, the one where they collect a bunch and like put it on the Christmas trees as well. Let me know how you all like to display your Labubus. Alrighty, so these are all the ones that it comes with. If I get a secret, that's the one right here, this dark brown one. It's funny because I actually think some of the other ones are cuter. I personally like pink and some of the more like pastel looking colors. Okay, I like these boxes and the whole like aesthetic on these a little bit more, I feel like, than the new Have a Seat edition, and maybe that's why these were harder to get. Here's one of the boxes. Let's start with that one in the top corner. I swear the opening the boxes is half the fun. It's like opening a Christmas present every time. Aw, here's the gray one. So cute and fluffy. These ones have like the more like sheep-like fur than the Have a Seat ones, which are more smooth. And those ones are also sitting and these are standing. So yeah, very cute. Love that. And yeah, this is the sea salt coconut. I swear these names are so fun too. I also like how the little card is like an exact copy of this one. Instead, the Have a Seat is like more of the square card. Okay, so we got a sea salt caramel. We still have 5 chances for the secret. Okay, no, not a secret, but this one is also, I love this color, lychee berry. I know the name of that one at least because I just love this color. This one's like a darker like pinky purple. So cute. And then these ones also, I noticed the ribbon on the Monsters label is like a tan color instead of the other Have a Seat one is a matching color. So there's that distinction. These are cute. These ones are, yeah, are a little bigger because they're standing up as well. And here's the card for lychee berry. Actually, they put like a little like hole up here that you can punch through. You can put like a little string or maybe make it into a keychain, like if you laminate this. Oh, that's a fun idea. I wonder if that was intentional for you to be able to like reuse the card, because if you see right there, there's a teeny like hole punch. So that's fun. Okay, so I'm also noticing now that I'm holding this pink one, the hair is messed up. The like hair, do you see that? It just came off. Oh my gosh. Okay, it is what it is. But like again, like I'm like a little too lazy to go back and like do an exchange and complain about this, and I know these are like hard to get, so then they're gonna have to try to like figure out the color for me and all that. I don't know, what do you all think? Hopefully if I just pull out this exos hair, it stops happening. Have any of you had these issues with the quality on these things? Like the hair is literally coming out. I just wish these were like a little better quality, given the hype on these. Third one, we still have a chance here. Not a secret, but this one is also cute. This one's like a pistachio green. Okay, this one's green grape. I think he's more pistachio, but love the name anyways. Very cute. His card is more of a green grape, if you ask me, or like a green apple, and he is quite a dark pistachio green. But yeah, I'm excited. Maybe I should make keychains out of these, like laminate them with like, not like laminate, I guess, but those like kind of like when you used to make like rinky dink or rinky dink, whatever those were called when I was a kid, like those rinky dink ovens. If you turn these into that and make it a keychain, that'd be fun. All right, 3 more chances. I think I'm getting better at opening the boxes too now. Not a secret. This one's cute too. This one, like, literally you can put on any bag. This goes with everything. And his name is Soy Milk, which I am a big fan of soy milk, so love that. Okay, we have 2 more chances at a secret one. If I do get a secret at this point, I'll be very happy because I got the pink one that I really wanted, and I have that neutral soy milk, and the green is also adorable. So I could live with just this set. Oh no, not a secret, but this one's also adorable. A little bit of a more tanny brown. Is this toffee or sesame bean? Okay, this one's name's Toffee. Yeah, that makes sense. He's more of a toffee, chocolatey kind of color. I think these ones also, their eyes are all the same color versus the Have a Seat, like the green one had green eyes and they all had different colored eyes to match their body types. This one has to be the secret. I feel like it's in here. I'm gonna put all the good energy into this last box. Not a secret. Okay, this one's the gray one. So this one's Sesame Bean. How fun. I swear I love these names. These names are making me want to go get dessert. Okay, so that was all for the unboxing. I did not get a secret, obviously, but these 2 are probably my favorites. I love the colored ones, but I know the other ones will go. If I have like a pink bag or like a more colorful bag, like I probably would use one of the more neutral ones on them. You could probably put 2 on one bag. If you put more than that, that might go a little crazy, like those TikToks we've been seeing with people with all the like bag charms on them. I'm still happy overall. I love these guys. I wish I had gotten the secret, but it is not over yet. I might still get a couple more boxes and see if I can get the secret. We'll see. I am pretty happy with the colors though. So like I said, to be honest, like I feel like the secret color of dark brown is not even as cute as some of these. We all just want it because it's the one that's so hard to get, and that's the game that you have to play. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys!